In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a design from Canva to your Squarespace website. Whether you're a small business owner or creative, this walkthrough will help you enhance your online presence with ease. Let's dive right in. First, open Canva in your web browser. Once you're on the home page, either create a new design or choose one that you've already crafted. Canva offers a wide variety of templates. You can select one that best suits your website styling or the message you're trying to convey. Once you have your design open, look toward the top right corner of your screen and click on the Share button. This feature allows you to export or share your creation in various ways. After clicking Share, you'll notice three small dots that lead to more options. Click on those dots to open a menu with additional sharing options. From this list, choose Embed. This action will generate an embed code specifically tailored for your design, making it ready to be added to your website. The word embed might sound a little technical, but it's just the tool we need to integrate your design cleanly into your site. Next, click on Copy to copy this code to your clipboard. Be sure to grab the entire string of text to ensure a successful integration with Squarespace. Leaving Canva, open your Squarespace website in another tab. Navigate to the page where you want this new design to be displayed. Once there, you'll look for the option to Add Block. It's usually found near the top or side of the page, depending on your specific site layout. Click on Add Block. A menu will pop up with a variety of blocks you can add. Look for the option labeled Embed. This block type allows you to input custom HTML, which includes embed codes like the one we copied earlier. Select that option and then edit the block's content. In the editing window, click on Code Snippet. This is where your copied code from Canva will be directly pasted. The next step inside the editor is to choose Embed Data. This next part might sound repetitive, but it's crucial in distinguishing what type of code you're going to add. Finally, click on Add Code and paste your Canva embed code into the space provided. Once you've done that, simply hit Save. This will secure your newly added design into your Squarespace layout. And there you have it. With just a few clicks here and there, you've added a beautiful custom design from Canva directly onto your Squarespace website. This process not only enhances the visual appeal, but also retains the professional quality of your Squarespace site, boosting both functionality and aesthetics. Be sure to refresh your webpage to review how everything looks, and don't hesitate to adjust any sizing or alignment to fit your particular vision. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in improving your website's design. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to empower your digital creativity.